Our next topic is to add a table. First, select the slide that you want to add a table to. Second, on the insert tab, click the table. Do one of the following. Move the pointer to select. This is an example of the table. One by one, two by one, by the column and the row. This is the example of the table. 7/6. Then click the insert table. Then enter a number in the number of columns and the number of rows. The the next, to format, position, and resize headers of or footers in a presentation. You can change a header of footer placeholder placeholder boxes with dotted borders that are part of most slides layouts. This box hold title and body text or objects such as charts, tables, and pictures. By resizing it, reposition it, or changing the font size, color, case, or spacing of its text. This is an example of the previous format presentation where the presentation you can resize it or put it designing color or design. There's the color example, color paper, font like the Arial, Lucida Sans, Verdana, and Georgia. Okay. Okay, next is to copy and paste your slides. In the pane that contains the outline and slides tabs, click Slides tab. Then select the slide that you want to copy by doing one of the following. To select a single slide, then click it. To select multiple sequential slides, click the first slide, then press Shift and click the last slide that you want to select. The third one is to select multiple non-sequential slides. Press Ctrl and slides that one you want to select. And that is the following slides. Then Next is right click one of the select slides, then copy. In the destination presentation on the slides tab, right click the slide that you want to copy, slides to follow, and then click paste. This is the following to copy and paste your slides. Okay, next is to add an action button. First is click the insert tab in the illustration group, click the under shapes, and then click the more button. This is the shape, the recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, the arrow, black arrow, equation shapes, flow chart, stars and banners, and action buttons. Click the other action buttons, click the button that you want to add. Action button. Then this is the and after that, click the locations on the slide that in the action settings dialog box. Do one of the following. Choose the behavior of an action button when you click it. Click the mouse tab. That is the action buttons. Next, the next topic is to add a slide master. On the View tab, in the Presentation Views group, click Slide Master. On the Slide Master tab, in the Edit Master group, click Insert Slide Master. Okay, that is the slideshow